And today we are doing unboxing of my LG monitor. As you can see over here, I have my Amazon package box. Let's quickly open it. Here is the gorgeous monitor, LG 22MP68VQ. It's 22-inch monitor. If you ask me why did I buy it, I bought it because it was available 1,000 rupees lesser than the normal price. And also most important thing, it has VESA mounts, the holes behind the monitor, so that I can attach it to wall mount or monitor stand. So let's quickly open the box, some cinematic shots. It is IPS cinema screen and it has very good brightness as well. The box contains the monitor stand. I know it's not visible, sorry for that. Then the stand and the monitor in between that connector, and the CDN instruction manuals. And here is the monitor picture. It looks so amazing, so thin with less bezels. So it has some marking. I think it has been kept into warehouse for a lot of time, that's why we got these markings. Okay, let's pause for a second, and before doing anything we must always test for dead pixels. There's a website, I will link it below in the description, you all can check. And here I'm watching Aquaman trailer in 4K, so it does support 4K also. Thank you guys for watching. Do like, subscribe and share.